but I just got something in the mailroom today that I am so excited about, and I'll open it in a sec because I haven't opened it yet and I'm so excited. But some of y'all may know that I have this D&D character named Rudolfo. That's him right there, my red Tiefling Boy. And I want to say almost like 2 months ago, I had a session where he got proposed to by a wonderful, wonderful woman named Beldani, and I'm so happy for them. But my DM put a picture of this beautiful ring in our D&D chat, and it was like, this is the ring that you're getting proposed to with, and me being the person that I was, immediately went and reverse Google image searched it, found it, and I bought one. So this is that. I'm gonna open it now. I'm also gonna tag the creator of this beautiful ring because they're here on TikTok. And if you also love this ring like I do, please go check out their work. Yeah, they're super amazing. I'm opening this now. I'm so excited. Oh, look at it. I am so excited about this. Y'all have no clue. Most expensive purchase I think I have made for myself in a long time, but it is so worth it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I don't know how well you can see, and my lighting is shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's got like little dragons on the side. The image that I got sent had this with blue, but I got it in red because of my red Tiefling Boy. Oh my god, and it fits so well. See, okay, so I got this, part of my reason in justifying this is that this is the ring that I wear every day. This is not a ring. It's like, it's for crafts and stuff. Oh my god. Y'all have no clue. Oh my god. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful and it's comfortable. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I know that, like, I'm gonna address this to the creator for a hot minute in hopes that they see this, but I know that you have no context clues as to, like, this character and why I bought this, but thank you so much. It means so much to me. Oh my god. Thank you.